Suspended in the air, I hear myself breathing, hanging by a thread. My heart is barely beating. I haven't fallen yet, but I feel it coming. Tell me, would it be too much to ask if you break it to me gently that I'm waking the next day without you beside me? And who I hold on to today, tomorrow will just be a memory. And that I will look back at all of this and wonder why I've stayed in here just to watch you disappear. So I breathe and let you go. How do I breathe and let you go before it's too late?
Hello Ate Q, congrats po sa promotion and I just wanna say thank you sa pag-guide sa amin, especially sa akin nung new hire pa lang ako. Up until now, you still guide me sa mga query ko. And ayun, wag ka nang masad kasi magkikita pa rin naman tayong lahat dyan sa floor and may kita pa rin namin ikaw sa area. And makakasama ka pa rin namin sa lunch and sa mga gala namin. Yun lang, congrats po ulit. Thank you.
Hi Ate Q! First and foremost, congratulations sa iyong new journey and sa pagpasok mo sa new team. I want to thank you for being one of my mentors but also being one of my ates dito sa TD. I really appreciate the time that you spend sa queries and also just spending time with us. Lalo na even though we know you're busy, G na G ka pa rin naman regardless. Ayun na, mamimiss ka namin. Huy! Alam naman namin na lagi ka pa rin naman namin makakasama and hopefully lagi ka pa rin G kahit na magkaiba na tayo ng shift. Ayun lang, lagi mo suot yung bracelet ko, twinning tayo always. Congratulations!
Hi, Mentor! Congratulations! We are really proud of you. And yun nga, sana wag mo kaming kalimutan. And yung ikaw talaga yung nilook forward namin, lalo na kapag dating sa project and sa pagpo-produce, lakas mo mag-project. Lakas mo din gumawa ng project. And wag mo kaming kakalimutan at help mo kami sa aming project. At lagi kami pupunta sa bahay no kahit online. Bye-bye! Congrats!
Thank you. First of all, thank you dahil nung new hire ako, ikaw yung pinakaunang nagkaroon ako ng connection since same tayo ng alma mater. And culture-wise, same tayo ng kinalatihan ng province. So, doon talaga na-click na agad. So, may mga topics na tayo pinag-uusapan. Sila, Sir Bobot, gano'n. And then, ayun, naalala ko pa, binabardable na tayo dahil sa mga sinasabi natin pero, gano'n. Yung mga words na hindi ko na lang sasabihin dito pero ayun, alam niyo na yun. And so, ayun. Congratulations sa naging promotion mo. Well deserved. And then, good luck sa bagong journey mo, sa bagong team. Sana i-treat ka na nila ng well as TD na tinig ka din. Same treatment from TD. And then, ayun lang. Congratulations and padayon. Padayon.
Hi Ate Q, congratulations on your promotion. Alam mo naman na sobrang proud ang team sa'yo and I'm very thankful na ikaw yung isa sa mga naging trainers ko and isa sa mga naniniwala sa akin, isa sa mga nagsasabi na kaya ko from being your trainee up to now. And I just want to say na good luck on your new journey and I know you'll achieve more. Congratulations, ate.
Hi Ate Q, I just wanna say congratulations sa iyong well-deserved promotion and thank you for everything na naitulong mo sa amin, sa new hires and sa ibang mong colleagues. We're always proud of you sa lahat ng achievements mo, and I just wanna say good luck sa bago mong team, and we wish you all the best. Congratulations once again.
Hello, mentor. I would like to thank you for being such a good leader, not just sa team but sa akin personally. I will never forget how you helped me kung paano umahon sa aking previous situation during our AVOX time. You really taught me kung paano mag-strategize when it comes sa stats, and also you lifted me para magkaroon ng magandang CIP. Also, thank you for always pushing me to go beyond my limits in terms of trying new things, and I would like to congratulate you for your next journey, and lagi mong tatandaan na proud kami sa'yo as your team, and lagi kaming nandito para sa'yo. Sana huwag mo naman kami masyadong kaulanan ng error, and see you around, ate. Congratulations again.
Hello, Ate Q! Congratulations on your well-deserved promotion. We're truly grateful sa lahat ng na-contribute mo sa team, sa lahat ng tulong mo sa amin, sa mga lesson na na-impart mo sa amin. And I hope na patuloy kang mag-grow at mag-inspire ng mga tao within your new team. Thank you so much for everything. Again, congratulations, and we're so happy and proud of you.
Hi Ate Q! First of all po, congrats sa iyong well-deserved promotion, and thank you rin sa lahat ng help mo simula since day 1, sa lahat ng guidance mo in terms of prod and in general sa life. And ayun, thank you din sa pagiging ate sa akin and sa buong team. And ayun, Ate Q, nag-grow ka from sobrang tahimik na analyst. Ngayon is grabe na yung growth mo, and nakikita ko na nagbubunga na lahat ng efforts mo. And ayun, Ate Q, yun lang. Thank you and good luck sa future mo sa QC team, and hope to see you around pa rin since same floor lang din naman tayo. Ayun lang, ate. Congrats and thank you.
Hi Ate Q, congrats sa iyong promotion. Sobrang deserve mo yun. Sobrang proud ako sa iyo kasi alam ko na nabaho mo yung path mo papunta dyan. And sana i-continue mo yung positive outlook mo pagdating sa work, kasi nakikita ko ikaw yung type ng tao na sobrang light lang tingnan yung work. And sobrang ina-admire ko yun pagdating sa'yo. So, sana i-continue pa rin natin yung mga conversations natin about sa learning sa buhay, sa family, ayan, and sa personal life, ayan. Sana huwag mo rin kaming kalimutan as your new kapitbahay, same floor pa rin naman tayo. But again, sa'yo ko to laging naririnig, so aim for the universe, and I know you will continue to aim for the universe kahit sa bagong journey mo. So, ayun lang Ate Q. God bless and good luck!
All this pain is gonna be invisible. It'll be invisible.